Hand saws are quick and easy to use for all sorts of projects. You just want to make sure you're grabbing the right one for the job. Now, a hacksaw has a bow shape with a thin blade. By adjusting the blade tension, you can make it more rigid, which prevents twisting or bending. And you can switch out the blade for rougher or finer cutting or reverse it, so it's cutting on the pull stroke. This saw is the workhorse for trimming and cutting metal or plastic. A carpenter saw or crosscut saw has teeth shaped to release the wood as it cuts. They commonly cut on the push and pull stroke. These saws are most commonly used to cut lumber where you're cutting across the grain. The more teeth per inch, or TPI, the finer the cut. A coping saw has a deep bowed shape with a very thin replaceable blade and tension adjustment. The thin blade lets you cut irregular shapes or patterns. So this is your tool for cutting a curved profile on crown molding, baseboards, or chair rails. Jab saws have a sharp tip and stiff blade for plunging into a surface. Its shallow blade allows for cutting curves and contours. Use these saws to cut out a hole for a pipe or receptacle. This family of saws are lightweight and distinguished by a rib on the edge, which helps with control and precision. The teeth are closely spaced for fine cuts, so you'll typically use these for precise work like wood joinery or when you're installing flooring and need to trim the bottom of a door casing. Many will cut on the pull stroke, which uses tension on the blade more than force, so you have more control and precision. Here are some more things to remember when choosing a saw. A quality blade takes fewer strokes to make a cut, and the blade won't dull as fast as a lower quality saw. A tooth pattern with a deep gullet releases materials as you cut, reducing friction. For a basic tool kit, a universal handsaw or a 3-in-1 saw are good choices. They cut most wood, laminate, and plastic materials, so there's less guesswork. For the tips and advice and tools you need, visit your neighborhood Ace. And find us online at acehardware.com.